pasta dinosaur. Let's see what I make with this. For this recipe, ingredients are 2 tins of tuna, half a cucumber, 2 squirts of mayonnaise, 200 grams of pasta and a small tin of sweet corn. Let's make some tuna sweet corn pasta. I'm going to pour the pasta into the saucepan, and then I'm going to put about a litre of water, and you've got to cover the pasta. And I'm going to put the lid on, and then got my trusty timer on for 9 minutes. Let's cook this for 9 minutes. Whilst we're waiting, to drain the tuna and sweet corn and put some mayonnaise with it. I'm going to use my tin opener and open this tin. I'm going to need a grown-up helper to help me with this, as it's going to be dangerous and sharp. Caution, this part could be really dangerous, so we're going to need a grown-up helper to help us lift this up. And I'm going to drain the tuna using my bowl and a sieve. And then put it into my bowl. And do this with the other tin. Let's put a few squirts, 1, 2, roughly, of mayonnaise. Let's mix the tuna and mayonnaise together. Then we're going to add the sweet corn in next. We need to drain it. Hi, I'm going to open the sweet corn, and this has got a can opener can, but you still might need a grown-up helper to help you pull it back. I'm going to pour the sweet corn into the sieve with a bowl, so then we can drain all the water out. Once we've done that, we're going to put it into the bowl with tuna and mayonnaise. Then we're going to mix this up. We're missing something, the cucumber. Hi, I'm going to cut the ends off my cucumber. And yeah, I'm using a table knife, as this is easier to cut. You can cut the cucumber in half, then we're going to cut it into small pieces, as small as you like. You're going to need a grown-up helper to get this saucepan off the hob. So I've got a bowl and a sieve to strain the pasta. I'm going to use a soup ladle to strain all the water off, as this is a safe way, and you might need a grown-up helper to help you with this. I poured the pasta into a big bowl, and I'm going to pour the tuna, sweet corn and cucumber mixture into the bowl. Hi, I have got my emoji spoon to mix up the pasta with. Enjoy eating this yummy, gorgeous pasta. You could either have it hot or you can have it cold, ready for a picnic. For my next video, I'm going to use some strawberries. Let's see what I'm going to make with these.